we are from group HeiHei. Our group leader is Nur Aya Izati, and our group members are Nur Akila, Nur Hanis, Nurul Ain Najiha, Tisinru, and Loyongsin. Most of Malaysians prefer takeaway compared to dine-in due to few reasons. For example, some of them like to enjoy their meal at home. Sometimes it is hard to find a seat in restaurant and so on. In addition, drive-thru and food delivery become quite popular in our country now. This makes many of them not dining in because it is easier to buy a food through drive-thru or food delivery. So, this situation caused the use of plastic keep increasing because the restaurant need to use the plastic container for the takeaway orders. Although our government start to appeal us to reduce the usage of plastic to save our environment, but there are still a lot of people use it. This is because the plastic containers is cheap and easy to get. This may help the restaurant to reduce the operation cost. If there are nothing can replace plastic containers with a reasonable price, which most of the restaurant can afford it, this problem cannot be solved. So, what should we do? We must try to find some alternative biodegradable materials which can be used to manufacture food containers.
By using the coconut husk fiber container as a biodegradable alternative to replace the plastic containers is the solution that we suggest to solve this problem. First of all, one of the best and most environmentally friendly product is coconut husk fiber, also known as coir fiber. Coir fiber is the waste from 30% of a coconut left over after the pulp has been eaten. I think it is not bad for a waste product. Coir fiber packaging items are better for environment because they are 100% biodegradable and compostable. As we said before, it is a waste, so it will be a very low cost and most readily available packaging materials. Moreover, as it is a agricultural waste, so it's also available in plentiful quantities throughout tropical countries worldwide. Other than that, the materials inside the coconut fiber are resistant to bacteria and fungi. Therefore, this is one of the points of using coir fiber containers in order to make sure all of us are more good in health and safety. Last but not least, the small number of people who are still using the plastic containers will change to use coir fiber containers. This is because coir fiber containers are more low cost than the plastic containers, and also the benefit that we can gain in coir fiber containers.
I will continue with descriptions of products. So we decide to use some part of coconut, which is we call core. The advantage of using coconut coating is that they have excellent bending ability, durable, and do not smell. Also, they have very low level of pollution, which is we call biodegradability. Firstly, what we do is coconut husk will be soaked in a recipe for a month. Then the preserved soap is beaten before being into pieces, softening and extinguishing to produce curd. And coconut husk will be dry under the sun before grinding. And grinding we will using certain type of machine that provided. And after that we will mix the core fiber with some ingredient that can put core all together, and then fiber will form into core fiber will be formed into a container.
I will continue to talk about the description of the product. As we know, coconut husk can easily get because it is an agriculture waste from the food process activity. Rather than we just dumping it or throw it, better we reuse it to do an innovations like containers to replace the plastic containers, which makes our environment more clean and not harmful for our health. Using this coconut husk, it is easy to decompose because it is naturally from plants rather than plastic, which contains a lot of chemicals. In addition, it is easy to carry and lightweight. Also, this product is not easy melt, so we can put it in microwave.
Next, I will talk about the analysis of the products. There are three types of food container that we compare, and that is plastic, sugarcane, and coconut husk. Based on our research, coconut husk has the lowest price, and that is 1 ringgit per piece, while the highest price goes to plastic, which is 1 ringgit and 90 cents per piece. Because of this, coconut husk is the best type of food container when it comes to lowest price. Besides that, coconut husk is also a lightweight product, which make it easy for people to use and carry around. Even though it is lightweight product, it is not easy to break compared to plastic and sugarcane. Because of this, we can keep it longer and reuse it as many as we want. After comparison, the coconut husk is the most suitable type of food container that can replace plastic.
Continue Alia's part. As we know, coconut husk can easily obtain. So, from that, we can recycle the coconut husk to make it as the food container, which eco-friendly product. First,
We will need a lot of coconut hulls and soak in hot sea water. Then, the fibers are removed from the shell by combing and crushing it. Combine the coconut hulls by using advanced technology to make a shape of food container. The product also need to do edge cutting and sterilization that apply by UV. After that, the food container will go through process waterproofing to make the product washable and waterproof. Moreover, inside the food container, it is divided into 3 parts which easier to separate food from getting mixed. Besides the food container, there will be a special place to put drink or something similar to it.
The aim of our research is to give a suggestion about the alternative biodegradable material to replace plastic. This is because the overusage of plastic is damaging our nature, as the plastic is not biodegradable and extremely durable. Means the plastic in the landfill will be there for 1,000 years. Therefore, some alternative ways must be found so that our mother nature is protected. At first, we have 3 ideas about the alternative biodegradable material, which are cardboard, stone paper, and coconut husk fiber. However, cardboard is not waterproof, so that we need to have more work to make it suitable as a food container. For stone paper, although it is waterproof and hard enough, but its cost is too high compared to other materials. Therefore, the material chosen is the husk fiber, which is also known as koi from coconut. Coconut husk fiber has a low cost because it is actually considered as a waste, so it is easy to get and it is also biodegradable. So in our opinion, this is the best material to replace plastic in manufacturing food container. Thank you.